Well, hey there, I'm Abby. Welcome to Abby's Retro Rescue, where I rescue vintage 80s items and share them with you so we can unlock memories together. And today I have an awesome Cabbage Patch Kids haul. It's been a while since I have been able to find some good deals on Cabbage Patch Kids, but this haul did not disappoint. I got these things from an estate sale recently this past week, and I was thrilled. I can't wait to share them with you guys. All right, I did get a couple of dolls, but before I share the dolls, check this out, you guys. Cabbage Patch Kids figurines. This was probably an original store display. I definitely remember these from the 80s, and they are very cute. Like, look at this little one. Some of these are on the pictures on the front, some are not, some are extra ones. This one is listed as Melanie Ann. And the little baby is Jenny Louise. This little guy got caught eating from the cookie jar. Look at even his little freckles. They're so detailed and just adorable. Oh, is that a frog in his pocket and a little slingshot? He's like a Dennis the Menace. Look at the little baby and its puppy dog. A dancer. I do have a favorite because this girl is so totally 80s. This is how I would have dressed for my dance classes and such. We always had to have that off-the-shoulder flash dance look and the leg warmers. I mean, she is ready. She's ready for dancing, and I just think she is the cutest thing. There were several of those. There were like multiples of some of these. So these are super fun. The inside of the box was a little dusty, so I did put a plastic bin in there and I washed all of these because they were kind of, you know how like old plastic gets a little bit sticky. So I was able to get them clean, and they are so cute. I mean, look how cute that is. I don't know how much these were back in the 80s, but I know I had a few of them. So I was very excited to find this haul of Cabbage Patch Kid figurines, and I will be selling these on my Etsy shop. So be sure and check that. It's just called Our 80s Life. It's named after my other channel. I will put a link down below to my Etsy shop if you're interested in looking at any of these things. Now, I know you guys probably came to see the dolls, so I wanted to save those. There's two dolls that I want to show you. From the same sale, they did have some dolls. Now, the boxes were in rough shape, and I almost didn't buy the dolls because the boxes were just so dusty and so smashed. But upon further investigation, the dolls appear to be perfect on the inside. So I know some collector would probably love to have these, and often people buy the ones in the boxes and they just take them out of the box. Plus, I really like his little outfit. This little guy, his name is Max Joel. And I have a cousin named Joel, actually. This is Max Joel, and he is from 1984, so an early Cabbage Patch doll, and very cute little baldy. But, you know, we can't really see him very well in this box. And because the box is destroyed, let's take him out and get a closer look. Now, in case you're unfamiliar with opening these, you want to open them from the bottom because you see the angle of the box. You can't pull the dolls out from the top. It looks like you could, but you can't because they're on this cardboard thingy. So you have to open them on the bottom. And when you open your Cabbage Patch Kid, you're going to want to slide them out from the bottom. And they should just slide right out like that. I will sell these with the box, and then people can decide if they even want to keep the box. I don't even know if it's worth keeping, but they can decide. But the point is that he has never been removed from this box, you guys. Look, he still has his original twisty tie holding him in place. And that's how these dolls came when you first bought them. And their certificates, their little birth certificates, are like glued in, and you would just peel it off the envelope there, and that's how these came originally. You see his name, Max Joel. He's got little dimples. He's just the cutest little guy. I love the baldies. And he's still got his original little hand tag there. He's really perfect. He's in perfect condition. So he'll definitely be going home with someone who's either a collector or they want to pass on the tradition to their own child. Whoever buys this guy, I know that he is going to be going to a good home. I hope so. And he'll finally get adopted after all this time. I was thinking about these dolls. That's so sad. They've been in this box for over 40 years and just waiting to be bought, or waiting to be adopted. And he had to wait a really long time. But don't worry, Max, we will find a good home for you. So if you guys are interested in adopting this one, he'll be listed on my Etsy shop, and I will have the links below. So as much as I love Max, I do have a favorite. I know we shouldn't have favorites, but y'all, wait till you see this other one that I got. It's a red-headed girl with a tooth. My favorite ones are the ones that have the one little tooth. I just think that's so cute. So this little girl is from 1985. So I believe that's the year when they added some of the extras like the little tooth and stuff. That was a newer thing, a newer feature. Also, like Max, her box is just not in great shape. It's very dusty, but she looks perfect inside. And her name is Janie Rosalie, and let's take her out of the box and get a closer look. Okay, so we're gonna carefully open the box from the bottom. Oh, this is kind of cool. She has her original price tag. She was from Target and she was $34.99. Her box is a little rougher than the other one. They're both pretty sad. But that doesn't matter because the dolls are perfect. Look at her. Again, she's still twisty tied. That means she has never been removed from this box, you guys. So she is like new. She is new vintage. And here's her little birth certificate. I went to school with a girl called Janie. Hello, Janie, if you're watching. She's probably not. I love her outfit. Like I said, I love the tooth. I mean, isn't she just the cutest little thing? And she has her tag. She's kind of wonky in the box here, but I think she just got twisted in her ponytail. Got back there. There we go. So she has the red hair. The red-headed ones, for whatever reason, are more sought after by collectors. I don't know if they're more rare or if people just like them more. They must be more rare. I don't see as many of them. And this is the first one I've found still in the box. I love to buy like what I call dead stock, vintage dead stock. So it's like brand new as it would have been on the shop shelf, but never used or never played with. So she's technically dead stock, and I've never seen a red-headed one. I've sold, I had a couple of preemies. I've got one preemie left if you're watching this and it's still there. And then I have one super rare one that I have not listed that was made in South Africa. And then I had sold 3 others during the holiday season. But no redheads. She's gonna be hard to part with. But I will list her on my Etsy shop because I wanna adopt her to someone who really wants this doll. I do not need, well, Keith has said that I do not need any more Cabbage Patch Kids, although I might disagree with that statement, but I have enough. I want to share the love, and I want these guys to find a good home. So her outfit, she's got this adorable little romper with yellow flowers and then a matching little yellow sweater. Unfortunately, they usually have lost their baby powder smell. And this one's no exception, but she doesn't smell bad, you guys. She doesn't smell bad at all. She doesn't smell like musty or grandma house or any of that. She just doesn't smell like a brand new Cabbage Patch Kid. I wish they kept their, yummy baby powder smell, but after 40 years, they just don't. Even still, she is like new. She's precious. She looks like she's waving. Hey, can I go home with you? So we're gonna find little Janie and little Max a new home. And I just wanted to share them with you first because I get so excited opening them for the first time. First time in 40 years, it's like a time capsule, right? So it's pretty amazing. And I was excited to share that with you guys. So I hope you enjoyed today's video and seeing these new vintage babies. And I will link my Etsy shop below. Thanks so much for watching. And if you want to see more videos like this, you might enjoy this one. So click the one here that's linked, and I'll see you over there.